everyone, welcome to another video. This time I'm going to be doing something different. Not movie reviews, not video games. What am I doing? It has some sort of relation to video games per se. Before I get to what this video is, I do want to say what inspired me to do this type of video would have to be a person. I'm a big fan of his vids. He does video game walkthroughs. He's also done other videos like this. That's like this type of video. What is it? An unboxing video. Oh yeah. This is my first unboxing video that's going up on YouTube. Awesome stuff. I'm very much looking forward to this. I know what I'm unboxing today, but I don't want to spoil what it is within the title, so you'll probably just see unboxing vid or something of the sort, something like that. Unboxing vid, unboxing video 1, because I do want to make this as a series and me unboxing certain things. But yeah. Okay, let's get to it. I have scissors to cut open the box. So what is this that I'm unboxing today? Well, I have been hinting at this to friends, family, what I really want, what I really wanted for my birthday. My birthday is still for a couple of weeks, but they bought it, like, they got this the other day, apparently, and, money saved, and this is actually from only one person, my mother, actually, and, well, my mother and my father, I should say, and, this costed so much. I originally wanted to save up to get one, but then they decided to go out and get one for me. What is this? Here, let me just grab it. I didn't want to put it on the table because then you guys would see it. So what is this that I got? A PlayStation 4. PlayStation 4, everyone. And if you can tell, it comes with a game, which I'm really looking forward to playing. It's Uncharted 4. I've been told the Uncharted series is an amazing series of games. I myself have never played an Uncharted game. Never. Never, ever, ever. And I'm looking forward to playing Uncharted 4. So, without further ado, let's open up this bad boy. Alright, well, are we opening this? Checking. Here. Okay, there's usually some sort of a tape. Yeah, wait. Got my scissors. So, how to do this? Okay. So yeah, while I'm opening this, I can say that I'm a big fan of Dave The Usher. A big fan. And I want to share this video with him eventually. Well, as soon as I can. And yeah. So let's take this out. Having problems, everyone. There we go. Nothing else in there? Nope. Oh, right. So yeah, open it though. Yeah, that makes sense. should show where I'm opening this. There's an opening here. Wait though. Wait though. Twine. Sewing scissors here. Sewing scissors. Maybe I should have this way actually. Now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah. Oh wait. Bear with me. I'm not usually good at unboxing stuff. Okay. So before I get to the other stuff that's in there, this is the system. Duh, of course. Alrighty, got the boxes off, taking off the cover. Putting this upside down, alright. And this is what PlayStation 4 looks like. This is what the front looks like. Yeah. The sides, the back. Of course, you have your ports. The ports to plug into like the wall. Plug into your VCR if you have one. Your TV. I don't have a VCR anymore. I only have a TV. So I'm going to be hooking this up to my HDMI flat screen smart screen. It's a Philips. Awesome stuff. So yeah, this is a PlayStation for everyone. Of course, you have the PlayStation logo right here as well. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Alright. Moving on. There was other things in the box though. Of course, the wires. Don't need to show that stuff. That stuff, fine. But what I can show is, let's just get these booklets out. Take this off. Oh. Huh. Free trial for online multiplayer for Uncharted 4. Cool. The booklet here. Expand your Uncharted 4 A Thief's End experience. Yeah. 1 month of Spotify Premium. Play Uncharted from the beginning. Awesome stuff. I can show that part. Yeah. And if you want it in French, if you're a French person, because where I live in Quebec. And most people here in Quebec speak French. So, for the French side, for you French Canadians, I should say French Canadians, because there are other places here in Canada that people do speak French, that I do know of. They're mainly here in Quebec, but there are other places here in Canada that other people do speak French. I do know that. Alrighty. And the game itself. Uncharted 4, A Thief's End. Yeah. And the back, every treasure has its price. In French, chaque trésor a un prix. I do know a bit of French myself. I do know how to say the words in French. Do I understand what they mean? Most of the time, no. I can only, how would you say it? How would I say it? I can only, speak a bit of French. Sorry, my screen went black though. Screensaver. Oi. I'm trying to open this, show you guys the disc and stuff. But yeah, the French stuff. I know enough to get by. Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien, c'est toi? That means hi. How are you? I'm doing good. You? Type thing. How can I do that sentence? Je allais. I am going to play a game today. It's going to be Uncharted 4 A Thief's End. Je allais. Jeu de vidéo. Aujourd'hui. I always forget what today is in French. I think it's aujourd'hui. Le jeu de vidéo Uncharted 4 A Thief's End. Don't know how to say A Thief's End in French. So as you can tell, I know enough to get by. So anyhow, I've unpacked the game kind of, and this is what the inside looks like. What the disc looks like. Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. I'm really looking forward to playing this. Like I stated before, I have never played any of the Uncharted games, but I have been told they're awesome games, they're great games from so many people, from my friends as well. Looking forward to it. Awesome. But yeah, the rest of the stuff that's in this box should be the codes. That's it. Yeah. So I don't really need to show that. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I actually ended my video. I'm gonna have to do some editing here. I was hoping not, but oh well. I forgot to show off the controller. Well, it was in this package here. Right in there. Yeah. But it's like a basic controller. It has the control pad, triangle, circle, X, square, like the original controllers, the LR buttons. Good stuff. And the joystick. What is new on this one is this pad here. Yeah. I do know what this is for. I've seen a couple of videos on some unboxing videos for the PlayStation 4. You also have the options and shell, which I think also consists of like the start select button, if you will. Yeah. But anyhow, I just wanted to show this off. I want to thank you all for taking time to watch. Join me for another video I intend to do soon. There will be another unboxing video sometime in the next couple of weeks. I want to thank you all for taking time to watch. Join me for another video I intend to do soon. I am out.